Welcome back everyone. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. Today we're finally going to be installing the Milestar Patagonia 33s on my 19 Tacoma, and we're going to see if we actually need to do any trimming up front. I think we might. Also, we are going to get an alignment on the truck as I just barely did the 5100s along with the Old Man Emu 887s up front, and then we just did an Icon add a leaf in the rear along with the 5100s. I wasn't very careful with the camber bolts up front, so alignment super whack. So let's take the truck down to the tire shop, get the alignment fixed, and get these puppies mounted up. Really? I'll tell him. And before we get started, Harley really wants you to like the video and subscribe so he's not so sad anymore. Okay, let's get going. It's been a few weeks since I installed the Milestar Patagonias on the Tacoma. Again, I went with a 285 75R16, and the tire is a Milestar Patagonia MT. Now with these specs, the tires themselves are about 2 inches taller than the factory tire and 1 inch wider than the factory tire. And I've got them wrapped around the Bronze Method 701 Trail Series. Now the main reason I decided to stay with a 16-inch wheel, primarily for the looks. I just like having a meatier looking tire on my truck. Now performance-wise, I've been super pumped on these tires, both on the street, off-road, and also in the rain. We haven't had snow in Utah yet, so I can't tell you how they're going to do in the snow, but reading some reviews online, I know that they might be a little bit sketchy with deeper snow, as is expected with most off-road tires. Overall, I haven't seen any increased road noise with these tires. Also performance-wise with the truck, I did lose about 1 mile per gallon, going from mid-17s to mid to high 16s. And then the truck is a little bit more sluggish at acceleration, but it's not really noticeable, especially with my driving style. Again, I didn't pick up the Tacoma as a performance vehicle, so overall I'm super happy. One thing to note, I have not done any cutting to the body to make these tires fit. Normal street driving, it does not rub at all. However, it does rub at full lockout and going over bumps. Also, in off-road scenarios, it is rubbing a little bit. So we will take care of that over the next few weeks. Anyway, I want to give you guys a quick update on the truck, so this is a super short video. As always, make sure to like the video, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions below or comments on the truck. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time.